A lot of people ask what comes in the box when they go to buy a new BD Screamer Turbo. Let's have a look. First, we've got all of our exhaust gaskets. So you've got like your main gasket here between the back portion of the turbo. You've got your up pipe and down pipe gaskets. You've got your oil drain gaskets in here too. These are all OE quality as well. No cheap junk. So you're not gonna have to go through and reseal these constantly. Your main gasket for your exhaust. You got your up pipe gaskets for both sides. And then you've also got your intake gasket, and you've got your oil drain gasket too. These are all good quality parts. You've got new studs and new nuts for mounting the turbo too, so you don't have to try and reuse the old crusty ones, because Lord knows those things like to get stuck on there, and good luck getting them off properly, so let's just replace them. Take all of this high density foam packaging out of the box, which keeps your turbo safe, especially while it's in transit. And then let's pull this Screamer Turbo out of here. This thing is a unit. We'll see in a moment. Ugh. No exercise needed today. Pulling this thing open here, spin it around so you can have a look. You're gonna see this thing comes fully assembled, ready to go. Minimal effort needed by the shop or the installer to be able to get this thing in there. We do this for all sorts of different vehicle applications. This one in specific is for the LB7, so like your 2001 to 2004 Chevy or GMC pickup truck with the 6.6 Duramax in them. We've got a nice new kind of like black graphite powder coated cover, which looks really nice in the engine bay and stuff too. Brand new actuator, comes pre-calibrated as well, so that way your boost pressure is already set. You don't have to tinker with it to be able to get the pressure dialed in properly. And you've got a nice billet compressor wheel in here. Pull the caps off, you get a good look at it. Everything from BD is physically VSR balanced too, which basically means that like we spin these things up to like 100,000 plus RPM to be able to make sure that the compressor wheel and turbine wheel are balanced together. That way you get a better long-lasting turbo. And unlike a lot of like ball bearing turbos, these units themselves are oil cooled, and they like all the bearings float the shaft on a film of oil. So basically, as long as you keep your oil changes going, these things last a long time. Everything's precision machined and ready to go. Honestly, you couldn't ask for a better product.